When you're blogging on WordPress, you may discover something new when you update WordPress. On the right-hand side here, where we have the option for featured image, you might notice that it says selecting a featured image is recommended for an optimal user experience. So we're going to click Set Featured Image, and if you notice right here, suggested image dimensions 1200 by 675. Okay, so this is going to be the featured image. This is also what happens when you share an image on Facebook, unless you're using a plugin where you're going to add a separate image size for Twitter and a separate image size for Facebook, or your theme automatically adjusts those. It's just something to be aware of. We're looking at dimensions of 2019 for a Facebook post of being, hold on, I just had it out here. It's very, very close. This is 1200 by 675, and I believe Facebook says 1200 by 628. They're pretty close. And so you'll notice that if your image is the wrong size, it gets cut off. So I'm going to show you how we can actually take an image and make it 1200 by 675, and then we're going to share it so we can see what it looks like in this video. So 1200 by 675. So I'm in Canva, where I'm making my videos, and I have a video here. And what you could do is you could just start off with a blank slate and choose the correct dimensions from the get-go. But if you choose their default blog image, it's not going to be a coordinating size to what WordPress is suggesting. So you could go ahead and make the blog and then download it, okay, here. And then what I do is I go in and edit it afterwards. So I'm downloading it as a ping, high resolution image, and I downloaded it in full size. So see here, I can just change that by 2 or by 1. I'm doing it by 3 because I want it to be I want it to be large enough where I can size it down to the, let's see, what did we say? 1200. So I think we can actually go with the middle one. Nope, that's why, because it's still too small. So I downloaded that. Then what I do is I just open it. There's so many ways to do this, you guys. This is just one. And I go into here, going to go Tools, Adjust Size, 1200, and look, 1200 by 675. That's the right size, okay? Now, it's still way too big of a file because it's in a PNG image. We can adjust multiple things to get it down, but what I do is I just click OK, and then I'm actually just going to export this as a JPEG. So how to get a passport, JPEG, and now see, oh, it's only 160 kilobytes. Perfect. Okay, so then let's just go ahead and see what that looks like. So I've written my article. I'm about to publish my blog, and where was I at? Hold on, right here. So we're going to upload the file. Select, see right here it says maximum upload file size 300 MB. We don't ever want to upload MB. We want KB, kilobytes. Okay, suggested image size 1200 by 675. Select, and we're going to go to password. See there, 1200 by 675. It is the perfect suggested size that WordPress is suggesting. You can go ahead and optimize your image however you would like to. Once this loads, oh, I uploaded the wrong one. Whoops. I uploaded the big one. So here we go. Try that again. There it is. The JPEG one is what we want. And I'm actually going to delete this so it doesn't sit there. Okay, so 1200 by 675. And then if you want it to have a caption, tips, steps on how to get a passport, and the alt text, so for somebody that wouldn't be able to see, image of the Eiffel. Am I spelling that right? I know that sounds terrible. You know how it is when you're teaching, all of a sudden you forget, yeah, I was spelling it right. Just wanted to double check. Of the Eiffel Tower in Paris, and the words how to get a passport, beautiful sunrise, sunset background. Okay, and then my description there of the image. Okay, select. Now, let's go ahead and let me just check the URL on this before I hit publish. Oh, I need to put the excerpt in there. There we go. And right category, travel. And let me see what our permalink looks like. How to get a passport. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to publish this because I want to share it on social. I have not even finished all of my little bits of optimization, but for the sake of this training video, I'm going to go ahead and hit publish. Okay. And obviously, you're going to go in and put your dividers and images and whatnot. But let's go ahead now and share this on social media and see what that picture looks like. Perfection. It looks perfect. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you in case you are using WordPress and you have and you're getting that little message. Looks like it looks great. Let's just go ahead and publish it all the way. I want to see, because sometimes they look great here and then when they publish they look squirrely. So let's double check. Gorgeous. Ah, love it. Okay, so that's it. I'm Lori Ballen. Thanks for joining me today.